If you've ever thought of starting a print-on-demand business but then thought, I'm not a designer, I can't do this, stop right there. Today I'm going to show you how to create the best print-on-demand designs to add to your products, such as sweatshirts, mugs, bags, notebooks, and anything else that you want to add to your shop without needing any design skills. And in this video we're going to go through using Kittl.com for this specifically. The platform is an absolute game changer as it allows anyone design amazing graphics for niched brands and for niched products. And the best part is you can focus on what you do best and marketing your business without having to learn design skills from scratch. So if you're starting your print-on-demand journey, in today's video we're going to go through why designs are the key to a successful print-on-demand business, the exact steps to starting a dropshipping business, and of course I'll walk you through creating multiple print-on-demand designs using Kittl's templates. Let's get started. Now, before we start talking about how to create these designs, let's understand why they matter so much. In the print-on-demand world, your designs are your products. A great design can make the difference between somebody scrolling past your product or hitting add to cart. Think about it. How often do you choose a t-shirt or a mug simply because you love the design? And now here's the thing, you don't need to reinvent the wheel. You just need to create designs that resonate with your audience. And that's where Kittl comes in. Their templates makes it ridiculously easy to create professional graphics that your customers will love. Now, if you're ready to start your print-on-demand business, let's go to the step-by-step process on how to do that. First things first, you need to pick your niche. Print-on-demand business and product selling businesses are saturated right now, as every single business is. So you need to come up with unique designs that target a specific audience. So think of this, who is your ideal customer? Are you targeting fitness enthusiasts, cat lovers, coffee drinkers? Narrowing your focus from the start will help you create designs that truly resonate with your audience. Step 2, pick a print-on-demand platform such as Printify or Printful to start creating your designs. Next, you need to create a brand around your products. After you pick your niche, you need to come up with a memorable name and logo for your business. And for that, we can use Kittl to create a logo for your print-on-demand business right now. And now, once you've decided which types of products you want to sell and who they're for, it's time to start designing the products. Now, this is the fun part because Kittl already provides so many amazingly designed templates that you can use for your print-on-demand products and customize them for your own audience with your own branding and style. We can do designs for t-shirts, sweatshirts, mugs, caps, bags, and so much more. Now, let's go to Kittl together and start creating some of these designs and see how they look on actual print-on-demand products. Let me show you exactly how easy it is to create designs for your print-on-demand business using Kittl. So you get started with templates. Once you log into Kittl, you find a library full of professionally designed templates. Let's say we're creating a t-shirt for a coffee-loving audience. Search for coffee in the template library and boom, dozens of gorgeous ready-to-use designs. Next, customize the design. Click on the template you like and customize it. You can change the text to match your niche, for example, powered by coffee. Adjust the colors to fit your brand's aesthetic, swap out graphics and add new elements, all with a simple drag and drop interface. Next, export your design. Once you're happy with your design, export it in high resolution. Kittl ensures your designs are print ready so you don't have to worry about technical details. Apply designs to your products. Upload your design to your print-on-demand platform and apply it to products like mugs, tote bags, and sweatshirts. As a pro tip, use mockup generators to showcase your products in a lifestyle setting. It makes them more appealing to customers. Now let's create a quick collection for tote bags, a minimalist floral design with an empowering quote. For mugs, a cute holiday-themed graphic, perfect for gifting. For caps, a bold logo design for streetwear lovers. See how versatile Kittl is? You can create an entire product line in just a few hours. Once you have a few products ready and you know what you want to list in your shop, it's time to set up your store. So connect your store to your print-on-demand platform and start uploading your product in the desired sizes you want, the colors, add a title and description, and also create multiple images besides the mock-up ones if you want a truly authentic brand. And then the next step will be to market your business. So you can join social media platforms such as Instagram, TikTok, and even YouTube to start targeting your ideal customer and start creating content for them using your product. You can show the products being created, you can show the designs being created, packing or unpacking products. You can talk about your niche. So if you're targeting coffee lovers, for example, show videos wearing the hoodies that you're creating, making coffee. So just try to bring that community together with your content. Then once brought together, those exact people will be the perfect customers for your products. And there you have it. With Kittl, you can start creating professional, high-quality designs for your print-on-demand business, even with zero design experience. If you're ready to start your journey, go to the link below and start right now. You'll be amazed at what you can create and how easy and fast it is. And before you go, don't forget to like this video if you've enjoyed it, subscribe to my channel for more videos weekly, and as always, thank you so much for being here. I will see you in my next video. Bye!